classic Waldorf salad, the most popular salad of the American cuisine, and it is so easy to make at home. Crisp apples, juicy grapes, crunchy walnuts, and celery make this classic a favorite. Let's prepare candied walnuts first. Combine spice mixture and egg white, a bit of sugar, and cover walnut halves with this mixture. Bake the walnuts for 15 minutes. Cut almost all the walnuts and save some for decoration. For the dressing, mix together crème fraîche with plain yogurt, a bit of walnut oil, lemon juice, salt, and white pepper. Cut apples and celery root into strips. I use for this a special grater. Then add pieces of grape and candied walnuts and mix it with the dressing. And serve on a plate with red grapes and walnut. It is fresh, crisp, crunchy and sweet. The perfect side dish to any meal. Enjoy! Bon appétit!